Owens, Owens, Nurse Mulligan, a freckled faced, green-eyed demon, shouted my last name as if I were in a military lineup. It's time for your medicine, she continued, mockingly singing in an irritating nasal tone, hovering over me and rousing me from sleep. She then yanked my bedding aside without care nor courtesy of exposing my frail, underdressed exterior. Annoyed, I slowly opened my eyes and attempted to focus, still overstimulated by the previous day's medication. There appeared to be 3 fuzzy-looking Nurse Mulligans standing in the small blank room that I could not recall re-entering. Then again, all my days were routine and mundane. The cafeteria, the day room, Dr. Davis's office, the East Lawn, my bed, locked down, drugs and more drugs. It was 1994, but even then most of the staff at the Long Island Psychiatric Center, where I resided, showed no empathy toward an insane black woman. An inmate doped with expensive drugs was a free ride for the state and a death sentence for me. It was all one big masquerade. Mary, focus! The rational voice inside my cluttered mind sternly related, bringing me back to myself. I shook my head so violently it cleared my vision, helping me to identify the lengthy needle in Nurse Mulligan's hand. Die, die, die! The frightening thoughts that also occupied my mind recently chanted.